The internet is continually evolving. New technologies and tools appear every day, and the number of devices on which you can access information and undertake transactions is expanding. All this is changing the dynamics of business. It's also changing how customers learn about and shop for products and services. Today, many start their shopping experience by looking on the internet, via search engines, by reading blogs, or looking at any one of many social media sites. It doesn't matter whether they are consumers making a large purchase, such as buying a holiday, or something smaller, such as their weekly grocery shopping. Also, business people may want to issue a major training contract or simply buy paper clips. The digital world is making things quicker and easier. But this can seem overwhelming, particularly for small businesses. Creating awareness amongst all that activity, building and developing relationships with customers and putting online strategies in place, all on a limited budget, can be challenging. Understanding what you need to do online is a challenge. The technology, tools and devices are all very exciting, but that's not what the digital world is all about. It's about people. It's about people connecting with other people. They're looking to build relationships and ultimately to drive sales. The technology, tools and devices give you different and more relevant ways to make those connections. So, find out what your customers are doing. How are they using digital media? How are they finding you and finding out about you? Now, put your business in the places where your customers are looking. Digital means we now live in an always-on, 24/7 society. There's a huge appetite for online information, and everything operates at a faster pace. Also, the customer is in control. Your customer tunes in when they want to. They don't like interruptions, and they do things on their terms. Customers are happy to do their own research and gather information about the products and services they're interested in. They visit comparison websites to check out the best deals. They get advice from trusted friends and place a high degree of trust in online recommendations. In this digital world, there's much less personal interaction. In fact, customers may only contact you at the final stage, when they make the final transaction. And that could be online, by mail order, or in a shop. And the process doesn't stop there. Reviewing products and services after they've been purchased is so much easier. After all, if a customer places great value on personal recommendation when they're buying, they're likely to want to leave comments for others making that decision in the future. To be successful in your business, you need to adapt to this digital way of thinking and be ready to meet the needs of a changing world. Build a digital marketing plan for your business. After all, you don't want to run the risk of being left behind. Without a plan, you may miss opportunities and potentially lose business. With a plan, you can make informed decisions and make sure you're focused on the things that are most relevant for your business.